Welcome back to our Tajweed class. In our last video, we learned about Huruf Muqatta'at, but some letters were still remaining. So today we are going to learn those remaining letters and complete this lesson. So recite Ta'awwud. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. These letters are very special in the Quran and we must pronounce them with the correct length and mud. So let's start reading. كاف ها يا عين صاد Kaf is stretching up to 5 counts. Ha is stretching up to 2 counts. Ya is stretching up to 2 counts. Ain is stretching up to 5 to 6 counts. Sod is stretching up to 5 to 6 count. Please repeat after me. كاف ها يا عين صاد. Okay, the next letter is ha. Pa is stretching up to 2 counts. Ha is stretching up to 2 counts. Please repeat after me. Pa ha. Okay, the next word is Qasim. Ta stretching up to 2 counts. Seam is stretching up to 5 to 6 count with nasal sound. It is not seen. It is seam. Okay. Meem is stretching up to 5 to 6 count with nasal sound. Please repeat after me. Qasim. Mim. Okay, the next letter is Qasin. Qa is stretching up to 2 counts. Sin is stretching up to 5 to 6 count. Please repeat after me. Qasin. Okay, the next word is Yasin. Ya is stretching up to 2 counts. Sin is stretching up to 5 to 6 count. That's all today's lesson, and we will learn remaining letters in our next video. Please do practice it and memorize this lesson, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so never miss a lesson. Thank you so much. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.